Oh yay, welcome back. Talking about last week, I did uploaded 4 guys obstacle making in Unity, okay? But after that, I did receive some comments that people would like to know how to actually create the obstacle regarding this one. Because I did say that in this video, if you actually understand the concept, you should actually know how to do this. But yeah, after I actually get a review from some of my friends, so they actually wanted to know how to do it. So this video will be sharing about how we are actually going to use hinge join to create this obstacle as well. Okay, let's come to Unity side. Okay, I actually have character that can be moved already. Okay, and I did have a plane in here. Okay, we are actually going to do the obstacle just now that I mentioned. I will actually go to 3D object, a cube. I will create a cube. Okay, so when I create a cube, normally I like to reset the position so I get this. Okay, so I will actually scale it up. Okay, scale it bigger, probably like this. So later on, the 4 guys actually have to run through to here and jump over to this platform. Okay. Yup. That's look good. Okay. So I will change the color. Okay, to pink. So to use the hinge join, I'll go to the cube, add the component, hinge join. Yup. So with this hinge join, they'll automatically add the rigid body as well, just like last tutorial. Okay, so right now, how to test this hinge join, right? Let's say you wanted to really confirm this hinge join whether it's working or not. I suggest you to add a cube just to imagine there's some weight on it. So test it out. Okay, so let's see whether the cube workable, the hinge joint workable or not. Not working, right? Okay, probably this one we actually have to add a rigid body, so you can actually feel that it's actually touch this surface. If not, it doesn't act like a item that with the physics. Okay, so rigid body. Then rigid body, there is a mass or everything, and it will use gravity. So this will be actually falling down as well. Yep. Now it's actually workable, but the hinge joint seems like it's wrong because from what we wanted, supposed to be the hinge joint moving from here to here. Supposed to be like this. Yep. Okay. So now workable already, just that the hinge joint is different. How to actually fix the hinge joint is very easy. Okay. So as you can see, if I click on this edit join, right, you actually see this circle with pink color. Okay, so anchor is actually, you can change this and see what is this happen. Yeah, if you change this, you see, it's actually changed this anchor point as well. So let's say right now it's actually not the problem with the anchor point. It's supposed to be at the center, is correct. And another thing is actually the axis problem, because right now it's actually turned here. So we have to change to z-axis, and then the x-axis make it to 0. Yeah, then we test it out and see. Okay, so when we play, yep, it's happened to what we wanted already. Right? Cool. Okay, so if let's say you're actually feeling that it's actually moving very fast, right? Fall down so fast. How we can actually make something like Fall Guys is because there's a lot of character on top of it, then only it will actually fall down even faster. So if you actually look at this sphere, there's a rigid body, there's a mass, okay? The cube also have a rigid body and there's a mass as well. So to come back to the physics concept, this cube must be heavy enough so that this sphere, when it actually fall down, it won't be bring a lot of weight to it. Okay, so you can actually just easy to fix it with this rigid body mass. So let's say if I change to 100, it definitely will be fall down slower. You see? Yes, that's what we wanted. Okay, so if you actually want to make it even slower, you can actually add on the mass of it. Yep. So it really depends on the character mass as well. Especially in the Fall Guys games, it have a lot of character, right? So you can actually test with adding a lot of cube, a lot of sphere in here and find the great balance of it. Okay, so this sphere is just for our testing. So after it tests it, definitely it will be working already. Just that I just want to show you if let's say the character walk to there, then is it just working the same as what we tested just now? Okay, so this character radar can jump over to here. I just make it easier, come to here first. Okay. Yep. Then it's actually falling down. Yes, it's actually falling down, you see? So you have to run over to the place. If let's say you go to the another side of it, it will actually fall to this side already. Yep. Okay. So that is what we wanted. Pretty easy with this obstacle. Hope you actually enjoyed it. Remember, like, share, and subscribe me. Thank you.